Hello, this is Alton Gansky, and welcome to the first ever Typewriter Tuesday special edition, especially since this is being recorded on a Friday. Got an email today from Gloria Schwartz up in Canada, who, for the princely sum of $13, has purchased an Underwood Touchmaster 2, and she had seen the episode of Typewriter Tuesday that dealt with a very similar model. Hers is the wide carriage. The one you're looking at now is, of course, the standard size carriage. And her question was, where do you find the serial number? So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to zoom in, and the first thing we want to do is we want to be able to move this over. And this little button here, this lever, releases the carriage. Then you have to stand up because these things are a beast. And look inside, and back towards the very back, there it is, you see the number. So it's on the right side, underneath where the carriage would be. So again, you move the whole carriage over, look down there, and you will see that number. In this case, mine's an 11-8518590. And with that number, then you can go to Typewriter Database, do a search, and find out what year your typewriter was manufactured. A couple other things she mentioned was the typewriter ribbon, wanting to get a typewriter ribbon for it. Best place to do that is Amazon. At least that's where I get mine. And then to change them, you want to remember to do a couple of things. And if it already has a ribbon in it, then what you want to do is you want to take careful notice, maybe even take a picture or two, with your smartphone, and notice how the ribbon is put in there in the first place, because it varies from model to model. So take note of that. If for some reason you don't have one in there, then you can go online and look at pictures of these and see how they have them done. The other thing to remember on this is to get to your ribbon covers, you simply slide this over. And that's true for the other side also. You slide it over, and you can see the typewriter ribbon spools right there. Now the tension on them will vary. For example, on this machine, this one is very loose. On this one, it's very tight and probably needs a little bit of adjustment. One last thing, Gloria, is don't forget this little button here. You push this and you get access to some of the workings and to the top end of the type bars, the slugs that have the actual letters on it that print through the ribbon and onto the paper. She had mentioned cleaning, and that will help you do that by opening this door. And last thing is, it's a segmented shift, which means the type basket drops. You don't have to lift the whole carriage up. It moves the type bars down, and it's much, much easier. Well, for 13 bucks, you made quite the deal, and I hope it serves you well. These things are, as you noticed, quite heavy, but they are indeed wonderful little machines. I shouldn't call them little, they're boat anchors. But nonetheless, they're great machines, great typers. They're meant to last forever and have lasted a generation or two. First kind of typewriter I learned to type on. Gloria Schwartz of Canada, thank you for writing and starting this first special edition of Typewriter Tuesday. Enjoy.